afternoon, everyone. My name is James P. Cordero, and I am here to present our report, The Human Major Body Organs. But before that, let me have activity first. So I want you to guess the picture. What is this? Yes, thank you. So again, this is the next picture. What is this? Yes, thank you very much. So before that, let me read the objectives. Our objectives first is describe the parts and the main functions of the major organs of the human body. Second, share concept the major organs work together to make the body functions properly. Third one, identify the causes and treatment of disease of the major organs and practice habit to maintain a healthy body. So the first major body organs that I will going to tackle is the human brain. So the human brain is located in our up of our head. So this is our head. This is my head, and it is covered by hair. So this is my hair. And the brain also is protected by our skull. Our skull, when we touch our head, there's bones that being formed there, and that's what we call skull. So now, let me tell you the next part of human major body organs, the heart. The heart is located at the center of the chest, cavity below the bone called sternum. It is a hollow muscular organ about the size of a fist. So this is the fist. So our heart is the size of the fist. Look, what's the difference? It is the fist. And yet, a powerful part of our body. It is a powerful part of our body. If we don't have heart, we will definitely die because without heart, the functions of every organ in our body will collapse and die. Did you know that there is a four chambers of heart? First, the ventricles, atria, septum, and valve. The ventricles is the lower chamber of the heart. So the lower chamber here in our lower chamber of our hearts. So the upper chambers naman, it is the upper chambers of our heart. So the atria, what we call atria, and the septum and valve. The two separates the chambers so that there will be no black flow of the blood. So the septum and the valve, their function is to separate the chambers so that there is no black flow of the blood in our organs. So again, the lungs is have the involve of breathing, no, and the power of lungs is to breathe, to give the breath of a human. And also, if we don't have the care of our lungs, we smoke, we drink alcohol, our lungs could be possibly caused, no, such as caused germs, caused by tuberculosis and pneumonia. That is one of causes that lungs can be affected to germs. And that's all. Thank you so much. And the next reporter will be continued.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Christine A. Servito. I am the next reporter. So I will tackle the next body organ, that is liver. Liver is or called atay. Asa nato makita ang atong atay? So in the right here in there. So ang purpose sa atay is produce siyang bile or abdo. What is the function of bile in our liver? The function of the bile in our liver is to break fats in our body. What is the fats? Is kanang mga oily, kanang atong gipangkaon. Yan ang imong droplets para mo produce na siya sa sa gallbladder. So pag break na siya pads, iyan ang ipondo sa gallbladder. So pag after niya puno ng gallbladder, so ang atong ikawon is ma-release na siya sa small intestine. Asa na makita ang atong small intestine? Here in the bottom is the small intestine. The stomach is larger muscular sac with thick wall that can be expanded when we pull. If we have kanang busog na tang, ang atong stomach is makanang full na siya kanang busog. Then when we feel kanang empty is kanang wala na sulod ang atong tiyan is kanang magtingog man di ba atong tiyan if wala na unod ang atong tiyan. Example, if we show marshmallow is ang marshmallow dili siya mo direct sa atong stomach. So mag ano pa na siya mo agi sa atong esophagus where we found our esophagus. Esophagus is there. Paguman sa atong gikaon nga kanang sample marshmallow, ang marshmallow mo agi pa siya sa esophagus, then mula ka na sa liver is small intestine. Asa na to makita atong small intestine? Di na to makita atong small intestine sa middle sa big intestine. Asa to nga atong small intestine. Ang atong small intestine is connected to the stomach. So atong stomach na adire. Then ang atong small intestine na adi sa middle. So ang atong ipangkaon nga mga food is na siya kanang malata na siya, then dili means na kanang dili na ta healthy. So pag malata na ang mga atong ipangkaon, atong ipang-digest sa atong tiyan is mahimo na siyang mga nutrients. So asa malakaw ang mga nutrients sa atong mga tummy. So ang nutrients nga padulong sa ato is called bile or kanang mga taba-taba sa ato ang body. So maunang na to kanang sample pag mukaon sa night time sa kanang manabata is mao na siya is kanang nakuha na tag nutrients sa atong gipang kaon. Is kidney you have two pairs kanang makita na to diri atong kidney diri. So kidney look like pairs of bean seed on each side of the body. So yun ako makita atong kidney has million of nephros with highly coiled tube and capillaries that filtrate the blood and urine. Ang kidney is mao na siya ang naga-filtrate og blood o kanang manghi gutad. So ang kidney ang naga-process. Ang kidney is nagasaya kanang manghi Some disorder of kidney are formed stone or crystal of mineral that block the movement of urine. So naay mga person is kanang sa di ba na uban na tao kanang nagasakit sa kidney. So para makuha na to katong mga stone or crystal or kana is need na sila kanang surgical para makuha ang stone sa ilang kidney. Kaya what if kung dili makuha ang stone sa ilang kidney is dili siya makaihi, dili maka-function ang ilang kidney. So need nila surgical para makanang ang ilang kidney is kanang ma-function na pod. Also napoy uban nga kidney is kanang dili na yun kaya siya kanang surgical na uban is dialysis na lang kay dili kaya surgical. So mao nang 9 times is mga patient is nagabalik-balik sila sa mga dialysis center. Is bones are part of our skeleton. That major bones are the skull. This is the skull. The skull protect our brain. And this is our brain. This is our skull. Next is backbone or the spinal column. Here our backbone. And this is the picture of backbone. You have two pairs and have 12 pairs of ribs. Next is head bones. This is the picture of head bones in our arms and legs. Bones have water, protein, and minerals that the living tissue of the bones are the bone cell. Blood muscle are either attached to the bone skeletal muscle. So this is the picture of skeletal muscle found in the walls of many internal organs or smooth and muscle that make up the heart. The muscle of the legs and arms are voluntary muscles because you can control their movement. So if we have our muscle, we can control this. So example, ana, control nato. Then kani ang atong eyes, makontrol nato ana. So we can control our muscles. Then when you swim, walk, ride, or pick up things. So auto, if we swim, we can control our body, walk, ride, then ka na na magkuha. Then, okay, what bones protect in your head? Thank you. That is the answer. Second question, what part of the body produce bile? So, thank you. Give yourself 10 claps because you listened in our discussion in this afternoon.